Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to send a link in Monopoly Go. First, open up Monopoly Go on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom right of your screen. You'll see the Friends section. Go ahead and click on it. Now you have two options, Contacts and Invite. Click on Invite. Here you'll see Invite and Facebook Invite if you choose Facebook. Invite, you can access your Facebook account and send the link directly to friends or group chats. Just press the send button and the invite goes straight to them. If you want to invite friends through other platforms, click on the invite button above Facebook Invite. You'll see options to share via messages, Snapchat, or other chat apps. Just pick your platform and send the link. Finally, if you want to see your actual invite link, you can select Note. The app will open a note with your link. Press and hold, then click Copy. You can now manually share it with your friends anywhere you like. And that's it. Sending a link in Monopoly Go is that simple. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more tips.